Hello, good morning. The presentation of the poster entitled Sustainability at UAM Azcapotzalco for Academic Programs with Virtual Classroom Methodology, presented by Dr. Jesús Vicente González Sosa and Dra. Yadira Zavala Osorio, who belong to the Universidad Autónoma Metropolitana Unidad Azcapotzalco, Mexico City. As a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, educational processes have had a turn in its implementation and development, which have led higher education institutions to use digital tools to successfully cover undergraduate and graded academic programs. So in this paper, a general idea is reflected in the implementation of methodologies that uses the virtual classroom as the main element in learning processes of university communities. Therefore, this work shows a methodology for sustainability at UAM Azcapotzalco, which uses 5 stages for its development, among which is the use of digital environments that can be Facebook, Remind, Skype, Canva, among others. One more stage are the educational platforms in which activities of a course are developed. In this case, Classroom and Moodle are used. On the other hand, there is a stage to formulate the learning format in the virtual classroom, which is to manage each of the sessions for a course. This is done by elaborating presentations, videos, forms, tasks, and activities that the teacher will apply to each of the courses he teaches. Another stage is the implementation of the virtual classroom, which is carried out by placing the corresponding information of the evaluation form in the selected educational platform. To achieve the impact of the sustainability of the academic programs in each of the learning units that involve the university community in a school period, and finally, there is the evaluation stage of the proposed methodology that links the teacher, students, and authorities to verify the impact that this sustainability methodology offers, improving the teaching-learning process for the academic programs of the university. As part of the results, we have the visualization of the graphs showing the trend of improvement in the case of applying the virtual classroom as a teaching process, which is observed in the lower part of the figure. These graphs were obtained by evaluating higher-level courses using the two methodologies, traditional and with the virtual classroom, considering that in the future, sustainability with the support of the virtual classroom tool will allow training successful professionals with skills in digital environments. It is important to involve the parts of the academic communities, specifically teachers, students, and authorities of the institutions, so that the virtual classrooms are designed in accordance with the contents of the academic programs and their success is reflected in the grades of each of the educational institutions. Thank you for your attention. Best regards.